How to create Snapchat filter. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, you can view and use the different filters available on Snapchat to take pictures and videos. There are also other added options on the right side of this page. Now, go to the bottom and look for the For You option under the Capture button. Then, swipe the filters and look for the Explore option. In the Explore Lenses option, you can discover more experiences made by the community and Snapchat. Here, you can explore all the different types of lenses available. You can check the different sections such as For You, Face, World, Music, etc. You can also try out a filter that you like. Following these steps, you can easily create Snapchat filter.